A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Mama Frog sat on her lily pad. She was looking at the pictures of her adorable little frog. It was hard to believe that her little frog would turn 5 years old soon. He had changed so much since he started out as a little egg. While she was looking at the pictures, her little frog hopped onto her lily pad. "What are you looking at, Mama Frog?" he asked. "I'm looking at baby pictures of you," she replied. "My child, how you have changed. Look at this picture," Mama Frog said. "That's you. When you were just a tiny egg. I can barely see you under the water. Did I really fit into that tiny egg?" her little frog asked. "Yes, you did," Mama Frog replied. "But you didn't stay in for long. After a few weeks, you outgrew your egg and became a little tadpole." Mama Frog showed her little frog a picture of him as a tadpole. "Did I really look like that, Mama Frog?" he laughed. "I was long and slimy, and I had a tail. I think you were a very cute tadpole," Mama Frog said. "But as you just didn't stay in your egg for long, you weren't a tadpole for long. You ate lots and lots of algae and soon you grew into a frog. So, one day, I had a tail, and one day, I didn't," her little frog asked. "Well, not quite," Mama Frog laughed. "It did take a little time." "How did it happen?" asked her little frog. "First, you started to grow your back legs," Mom Frog replied. "Then, you started to grow your front legs. And then, I was all grown up?" her little frog asked. "Not quite," Mama Frog said. "Your head and body got a little bigger. Then, your tail disappeared. And then, I was all grown up?" her little frog asked. "Not quite," Mama Frog said again. "Did you notice that you're in water in all these pictures? You had to grow lungs so you could come out of water. And then, I was all grown up? Her little frog asked. Yes, and then you were all grown up, Mama Frog said. But to me, you'll always be a little frog. Mama Frog gave her little frog a kiss on the head and sent him off to play.